Wherefore, foregoing premises considered, and pursuant to the summary dismissal powers of the National Police Commission, it is hereby recommended that Respondent Police Brigadier General Romeo J. Macapas be found culpable for grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. The Commission therefore recommends that Respondent Police Brigadier General Romeo J. Macapas be meted with the penalty of dismissal from the police service, along with the accessory penalties of cancellation of eligibility, forfeiture of retirement benefits, and disqualification for the employment in the government service. So recommended. Quezon City, Philippines. Signed, the whole National Police Commission. He unlawfully seized and retained the cell phones of Ella Kim and Jose Patidongan during the Cambodia rescue mission without legal basis. He altered and deleted messages from the confiscated cell phones and concealed or caused the loss of SD cards, thereby impairing the availability of crucial evidence related to the missing Sabongeros cases. Yung konteksto nito, kailangan sunduin yung mga magkapatid na patidongan dahil meron silang mga mahalagang mga impormasyon na alam. At merong sila ay vital witnesses dun sa kaso ng missing Sabongeros case. At authorized si General Macapas to lead a rescue and repatriation mission in Cambodia. Pero lo and behold, pagdating dito, arrested yung dalawang Patidongan brothers at yung mga cellphone nila ay kinuha at nawala ang ilang mga importanteng ebidensya. And because of that, that is obstruction of justice under PD 1829, qualifying as grave misconduct. So, yung rescue mission as a pretext for arresting witnesses, kinompromise niya yung mga ebidensya, and that is serious abuse of authority. Yung kanyang acts seriously dishonored the police service, amounting to conduct unbecoming of a police officer.
Bakit pagdating kay Brigadier General Macapas, recommendation only? Bakit dun sa iba, Lieutenant Colonel Major down to Sergeant, ay outright yung dismissal, sir?
Kapag ang rango po police colonel pataas, kailangan po natin ng presidential clearance.